Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Atlético Madrid 99 to 2000 home shirt, and this was purchased from dhgate.com. Now I've reviewed a few from dhgate, and in all honesty no issues that I've had so far from the shirts. Really been impressed with them, and you're looking at about 15 days for the delivery of the item from the point of you getting notified that it has been sent. I will leave a link to GA kits in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller as well. I doubt it'll be for this item, but it'll be for something on their website, which will then allow you to take a deeper dive to see what other items they have available. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So this is the Atlético Madrid 99 to 2000 home shirt from gakits.com. So what we'll do now is we'll get the shirt out of the bag and we'll do a deep dive and take a proper look at what the quality of this product is like. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt here. It's got your sort of standard collar line, and there's a button on it as well, and that says Puma. So it's a Puma button on a Reebok shirt. I'm just gonna check with my eyes as I look through the camera. Does that say Puma? P-U-M-R? Does anybody know what that means? It looks like Puma, but I'm now wondering if it's P-U-M-R. If you do know, drop a comment below, because yeah, I'm a bit confused by that. On the sleeve, you've got the La Liga patch, and that is into the material. That's quite a nice way of doing it, actually. The Madrid badge is embroidered onto the material, likewise the Reebok. And then we have the sponsor, which is Marbella, and that is into the material as well. At the bottom, we have the Club Atlético de Madrid, official merchandise Reebok, and that's been, as you can see, I think it's been embroidered around, but I think it's been heat pressed on. Oh no, it has been embroidered on completely, look. Over on this sleeve, you've got the Reebok manufacturer emblem, and that is into the material as well. I do like it when it's into the material. A slight nick there on the shirt, but nothing to really worry about. And at the bottom, where the shirt is, you've got quite a big flap for the reverse side. Material is a nice, shiny, solid texture. There's the front of our shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now. And we've got a continuation of the collar. It's got the Madrid colours. The stitching, to be fair, looks all pretty neat on there. Slight issue there on the join. I'd be a little bit concerned by that, especially if you're wearing this shirt quite regularly. I don't know whether that would pull or not. It just doesn't look very tight. That side looks actually that looks just the same. Maybe that's how it is. At the bottom we have Club Atlético de Madrid, and that's been into the material as well. So what's quite nice about this shirt is a lot of the detailing is actually in the material itself, which then makes it, when you come to washing the shirt, actually a lot easier. The maintenance I'd still do the same, but it does make it a little bit safer if you do accidentally put it in on the wrong temperature or something. But that's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside now. Okay, we're on to the inside. That's quite nice. Look, you've got the Reebok branding all on the inside of the collar. That's something I'm surprised they've done, but does make it look a lot smarter. Got the Reebok CrossFit XL tag here, and build-in reflective elements help keep you safe during lower light runs. Slim fit. Stitching though, a few excess cottons which we can soon get rid of. The badge, as I said, they've been embroidered on. That's gone on relatively well. The Reebok looks okay. You've got a fair bit of this little card here. If this little paper, if that doesn't pull off, then my recommendation is always just to put some lukewarm water on top of it. It will then just ease it and it will come off nice and easy then. As I said, the sponsor is into the shirt, which makes it look a lot neater and a lot tidier. Then we had the Madrid official product, which we said was embroidered on. The drawing at the sides, that looks okay. Bit of excess cotton again there, but nothing too worried about. And this side we've got the Reebok Leisure tag that goes in there. Has that got our washing instructions on it? No. It's just a standard tag there. That's the first part of the inside of the shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse side as well now. Okay, we've got our final part now, the inside of the shirt. That Reebok continues around, and we've got one of these little Reebok tags in there, and then they go and ruin it by putting that XL underneath it. If that wasn't there, it'd look a lot more genuine. With this sort of shirt, it is like a fan's one, so I would always buy the size that I actually require. So if I'm an XL, I'd buy an XL. If I'm a large, I'd buy a large. But I do size up all the time, and that is just because I like wearing shirts underneath them for when I'm playing football. But in regards to washing, the recommendation is to hand wash these shirts or use a hand wash setting. Then when you come to dry them, just let them hang dry. Having a bit of a heat wave over here in the UK at the moment, so absolutely perfect if you do wash these shirts, just to get them outside, hang them up on the washing line, and they'll dry nicely. It'll also remove any of the creases that are in the product. But that's our Madrid shirt inside and out. I do like a good retro, and this is a nice one. And there it is, our Atletico Madrid 99 to 2000 home shirt from dhgate.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller as well. I doubt it'll be for this item, but it'll be for their items they've got for sale on dhgate. When you get there, you can then flip around and take a look at some of the other products that they have for sale. So all in all, a really, really nice shirt. My only question, and if anybody does know, what does that say up there? It looks like Puma, but I can't imagine they'd put a Puma button on a Reebok shirt. I could be wrong, but yeah, if you do know, drop me a comment below and let me know. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I say, this is the Atletico Madrid 99 to 2000 home shirt from GAKits.com. All the information for the seller in the description of this video. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.